Hello everyone, I'm Becky Goldsmith with Piece of Cake, and I want to show you the magic mirrors from Marty Michelle. This is a fun toy. It's been out for a very long time, but I've never really played with it before, so it's new to me. It might be new to you. It comes in a package that has instructions. Very nice. You can open it up and see even more instructions. Gives you ideas for how you can use it. I like the idea especially that you can use it to show repeating blocks. Let me open this up. It's a 6" by 6" square, duct taped together. What this is, these are not glass mirrors, which is fun. Oh look, you can see me doing that. Who knew? Okay, but the other thing I wanted to show you is that it comes and says, please remove protective paper. It's actually not paper, it's a plastic film. If you've ever bought plexiglass, you know exactly what this is. So you peel that off, and I suppose it's, inevitable that you're going to get your fingerprints all over the mirror. Now, the way you use it is this. You turn it onto your fabric, and it shows you how this repeat is going to look as it goes around. So I might like it here. Now the cool thing is that the closer the mirrors are together, the more images you will see. So let's say you're looking for a repeat for this English paper piece. The mirror is going to be that far apart. So that would show you what you're going to get. That's really pretty cool. You can move it around, you can see different shapes. I have a feeling that the more you play with this, the more you're going to see. Let me pull this over because I thought this was really fun. I love the way the dots repeat and the way you can mess with it. Anyway, that is how this little toy works. The funnest part is knowing that the more you move it together, the more wedges you've got. I think that's all you really need to know about this because it's pretty intuitive. So, I hope you like seeing the mirrors. I hope you enjoy having some magic repeating fun with them. Happy stitching, and thank you for watching.